In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Image Accordion feature on the Magplus Now platform. First off, we're going to be working with the default page layout. Click on the section as a whole, click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of it. Now under the Widgets tab, just choose the Image Accordion element. As you can see, our element has been added successfully. If in case you wish to add more to the Image Accordion, just click on Add More on the right side of the page. For now, let's focus on uploading an image to the Image Accordion. Just click on the image and under the image drop-down menu, just click on Choose File. Now choose an image that you wish to upload. Click on Open. You could also wish to play with the parameters that have been offered to us. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Use Original. Once our first image has gotten uploaded, we can just go ahead and replicate the same procedure with image number 2. Now that both of our images have gotten uploaded, we can go ahead and edit the paragraph text. So simply click on the text within the paragraph and under the text block drop-down menu, you could adjust the font size. You could either increase it or decrease it. You could also choose from the various font family options. You could also alter the text color and align the text. You could also alter the line height and letter spacing. Let's go ahead and replicate the attributes of this paragraph to this one. Now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and have a preview of our Image Accordion. If you click on the plus icon present at the bottom of this image, the text shall drop down from the image. Clicking on the cross icon hides the text. And that's it on the Image Accordion feature.